What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Wild, man. I'm back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, man, today we're gonna be doing a wrap on my 2015 Camaro. I'm gonna do a partial wrap today. I'm doing the hood, the roof, and the trunk, and I'm gonna do it in vinyl frog gloss black. I think it's piano black. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna drop this intro and we're gonna get into this video.
It's my way of living, just fought it with extension. Guess I will shoot it at you. I am not the one to matching. Niggas with that dissing, but they won't come on dancing. Money in my vision, me and Franklin siblings. Nigga, this my way of living, just fought it with extensions. Guess I will shoot it at you. I am not the one to matching. Niggas with that dissing, but they won't come on dancing. Money in my vision, big bags. Me and Franklin siblings. Where I'm from, bitch, the no.
Alright guys, so as you can see right now, the hood is white, the roof is white, and the trunk is white. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I can get the wrap tucked in here pretty good without taking this off. But then I might just go and take it out. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take this lever off, remove this antenna, and then you see I got the magnet set up. So I'm gonna start prepping the car and getting it ready for the wrap. But yeah, let's go on the inside and see if we can get this antenna here took off. All right, guys, I'm in the inside. It's kind of dark in here, so hopefully the flash up out. I got that dark tint. So you have two coat hangers, one that go here on this side, and one that go here on this side. I'll show y'all what they look like. So this is what they look like. So what you want to do is I have like this little pry tool right here. It's like called a panel remover. You can find it in any parts store, auto store. And what I did was, so I pried this piece here, pry it down, and then you're gonna see an 8mm screw. Get you a socket and a wrench, and you twist that 8mm screw out, and then this part right here just wiggles, and then it'll come out. So you want to remove those two. And then you got two push tabs, one gonna be here, and one was right. Let's see if I can show it right there. So I pulled those two out. On this side, you wanna be able to pry. You don't have to remove it all the way. I just pried it enough to be able to get the liner out. Pry this enough to be able to get the liner out, pull the liner out, try not to crease it. And you're gonna do the same for this side. Just pull the liner out enough to be able to go up and reach in here. Let's see if I can get it for y'all. So I know in there, you gotta remove that purple clamp. You see I took it down. And then this yellow clamp, take it down. Then it's a screw in here, right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, right there. So you gotta remove that screw. And let me see what size that is. All right, guys, so I ended up getting that bolt out. I did have to cut the camera off to do it, so I could better use two hands to get it out. I had to use one to hold the headline and the other to unscrew it, but it ended up being a size 10mm bolt. So I got that out. So let's go on the outside and see if we can wiggle this antenna out. All right, so now, as y'all can see, antenna just wiggles out like that. Look at your cords that we disconnected. And that's the antenna. I'm gonna sit that right there. So y'all remember, if you follow the channel, the car was wrapped half and half. So as you can see, my guy that wrapped the car did do it the right way. And remove the antenna when he wrapped it. So a lot of folks you see try to go around the antenna and to avoid taking it out, but 5 extra minutes of work helps you out with a clean install. So I got this right here. This seal right here took out. So I'm gonna clean the inside of this and wipe it down with some alcohol. Go to the other side and do it. And then we'll clay bar the hood, the roof, and the trunk. And we're gonna start putting the wrap on.
It's time to start breaking records, man. Make sure these niggas getting work. Make sure these niggas getting booked. A lot of DJs do these CDs, they don't push them. They just take these young niggas' money, man. Come on, you gotta push these niggas, man. All my DJs, when you do these niggas CD, man, push these niggas, man. Co-sign these niggas.
Yeah.
Cannibal.
Bow.
Cannibal.
All I know is bow. I know it's a mouth. Find out. No matter the cost. I ain't sad cause I show my ass, cause love my dirty draws. I just make withdrawals, throw it up and watch it fall. They call me, can I fall? Can I bow? Yeah. Please just let me stun. Can I bow? They call me, can I fall? Can I bow? Yeah. Please just let me stun. Can I bow? Let go. You can catch me posted in the hood like I fix cars.
Alright guys, I got the wrap out next to the roll up to the car over there. As you can see, it is a 5-foot roll. For y'all. It is vinyl frog brand. It's the gloss piano black. So what I like to do is leave it on the roll when you work it by yourself. And I'm gonna already measure out 54 inches. So the roof is 54 inches. So I'm gonna pull it out. This is a 5-foot by 60-foot roll from vinyl frog. So I'm gonna pull it out about probably 58, 59 inches. And go ahead and cut it. Leave myself about 2 inches on each side to work with. But yeah, that is the roll. It is a 5-foot by 60 roll. I'm not wrapping the whole car black. I'm just doing the roof, the hood, and the trunk. But being a rapper, you can get a lot of roof and hood wrap. So it's always good to have gloss black, matte black, gunner wrap. It might be chrome delete, so we might be doing a lot of partial wrap. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this wrap out and get it cut so we can get started on the roof.
They call me, can I fall? Can I bow? Yeah. Please just let me stun. Can I bow? Let go. The way I blow paper, you would think I'm Taylor Gang. I'm fly. This weed got me levitating. I'm David Blaine, ballin' trig. I'm pro Obama. You can keep the change. Money ain't a thing. Guala stack tall as your main thing. Get them honeys, we hooked on these bunnies. All we do is slang. Cartoon shows closed. That means that we'll never change. Call me Craig Pops. I'm just tryna bang. Head like a dragon. No wonder she go to lane. Lot of people hate never since that I stepped in the game. Forget my enemies, really I don't need that fame. Jealous one still envy, that will always stay the same. Eating up these roads like a shoe sick hurricane, I'ma make it rain. You may need a punch out, what I'm saving up for. You only live once, I'm 10 YOLO if you don't know. At home bumping that low soul, try me that's a no-no. Clown ass nigga, bozo, you the fofo. Can I bow? All I know is bow. I know it's a mouth. Find out. No matter the cost. I ain't sad cause I show my ass, cause love my dirty draws. I just make withdrawals, throw it up and watch it fall. They call me, can I fall? Can I bow? Yeah. Please just let me stun. Can I bow? They call me, can I fall? Can I bow? Yeah. Please just let me stun. Can I bow? Let go.
It's time to start breaking records, man. Make sure these niggas getting work. Make sure these niggas getting booked. A lot of DJs do these CDs, they don't push them. They just take these young niggas' money, man. Come on, you gotta push these niggas, man. All my DJs, when you do these niggas CD, man, push these niggas, man. Co-sign these niggas.
Yeah.
Cannibal.
Can I bow?
Cannibal.
All I know is bow. I know it's a mouth. Find out. No matter the cost. I ain't sad cause I show my ass, cause love my dirty draws. I just make withdrawals, throw it up and watch it fall. They call me, can I fall? Can I bow? Yeah. Please just let me stun. Can I bow? They call me, can I fall? Can I bow? Yeah. Please just let me stun. Can I bow? Let go. You can catch me posted in the hood like I fix cars. Man, I bought so his hard and I ain't got a jizz off. Yo, girl got my stick hard. We barely got in the dope. Told her I'm a dog, trig, B-I-N-G-O. Eat the man with her eyes closed. She a freak. Oh, don't look when she blow. She like what I gotta see for. Pour down my boxers. She be far from brief though. Yo, chick foul. She over the bonus. Just a free throw. Thorough, that's how we roll. On the road, B-roll.
hundreds, and we keep the weed roll. My goons, they in beast mode. We'll be at your peak hole. So many guns, you would think that we put in a cheat code. Let's spark the Oskino. I ain't playing, I'm so T.O. Stacking from this music, got me throwing out these C-notes. Fly than a seagull. My chick don't look legal. Man, I think she Creole when she tatted like amigo. Can I bow, 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 bow? All I know is bow. I know it's come out, buy it out. No matter the cost. They ain't sad cause I show my ass cause love my dirty draws. I just make withdrawals, throw it up and watch it fall. They call me, can I pull? Can I bow, bow, bow? Yeah. Please just let me stud. Can I bow, bow, bow? They call me, can I pull? Can I bow, bow, bow? Yeah. Please just let me stud. Can I bow, bow, bow? Let go. The way I blow paper, you would think I'm Taylor Gang. I'm fly. This weed got me levitating. I'm David Blaine, ballin' tree. I'm pro Obama. You can keep the change. Money ain't a thing. Guala stack tall as your main thing. Get them honeys. We hooked on these bunnies. All we do is slang. Cartoon shows closed. That means that we'll never change. Call me Craig Pops. I'm just tryna bang, bang. Head like a dragon, no wonder she go to lane. Lot of people hate never since that I stepped in the game. Forget my enemies, really I don't need that fame. Jealous one still envy, that will always stay the same. Eating off these roads like a shoe sick hurricane, I'ma make it rain. You may need a punch out, what I'm saving up for. You only live once, I'm 10 YOLO if you don't know. At home bumping that low so try me, that's a no-no. Clown ass nigga, bozo, meet the fofo. Can I bow, 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 bow? All I know is bow. I know it's a mouth, buy it out. No matter the cost. They ain't sad cause I show my ass cause love my dirty draws. I just make withdrawals, throw it up and watch it fall.